the future of digital interaction with customers. Business is changing fast, and in this digital age, everyone and everything is connected, transforming the way we interact with our customers. Some of our current efforts in this direction are Salesforce. Data has always existed with us, but in silos. Now, with the implementation of the world's leading CRM platform, Salesforce, we can sell, service, and engage with our customers like never before. With Salesforce, we are able to get data from all our sources in real time, giving us a 360 view of our customers. Some of the key features of Salesforce are data enrichment, actionable information display, creating leads and opportunities, task creation, dashboards. All these features put together helps us to engage, upsell, cross-sell, and do suggestive selling as well. Service Cloud allows us to deliver a world-class customer service experience, track customer activity across every channel, from online or offline, increase agent productivity, and provide quick resolution to keep customers truly delighted. Proactive social media engagement. Listening to our customers and competition makes this initiative really supreme. Whether it is an individual who is talking about us or a group that is engaged in a discussion about us, we are able to respond to them in real time. We monitor and listen to 1.4 million mentions annually, and the digital traffic has tripled in the last 3 years. This is across 14 Titan brands and 49 digital properties. These digital footprints and social media interactions about Titan and all our brands are stored against each of the customers in the Salesforce CRM respectively. New age channels and self-help. Our newly developed self-help module, consisting of features like profile updating, online order tracking, locating our nearest store, is a great way for our customers to resolve their queries 24/7 at their convenience. This module, we estimate, will help us automate 35% of our customer interactions, resulting in sizable cost reductions. We have implemented live chat, WhatsApp, and an online lead management system this year. The results are as follows: live chat interactions 20,246, WhatsApp interactions 36,912, sales from online lead management 42 crore rupees. All of this data from customer interactions is captured and stored in the Salesforce CRM. Gamification. Online gaming is growing at a frenzied pace in India, and we have recently adopted this route to gamify Titan Encircle customer engagement. We have completed 6 digital campaigns since June 2019. The outcomes are as follows: 55,000 plus unique customers engaged on the platform, 100 plus crore revenue generated, 36,000 plus dormant customers engaged, 27 crore revenue from dormant customers, 17,000 plus customers data enriched. Titan Encircle's gamification initiative has won the award for Best Use of Gamification to enhance the customer loyalty program at the prestigious Customer Fest Awards 2020. NPS. At Titan, we started the NPS journey in May 2017. We have improved from an NPS of 36 to 63 today. In our endeavor to capture customer feedback, we are in the process of adopting a new tech tool, Customer Radio, a first-of-its-kind tool that enables capturing customer feedback through voice. Purchaser feedback, non-purchaser feedback, franchisee or store feedback, data enrichment. All of these initiatives, combined with the robust Salesforce CRM, have added an entirely new dimension to the way we connect and interact with our customers, providing them with an elevated experience in this new omni world.